Hello, boys and girls,
Hello, boys and girls,
and Cougar parents.
and Cougar parents.
Today we are going to learn about markups and discounts.
Tomorrow we are going to learn about markups.
Today we're going to learn about markups and discounts.
Oh, tomorrow we're going to learn.
Today.
Today.
Very good. Okay. And Judah, do you know that markups are things like tax and tip? Yep, those are things that make things more expensive. And we're going to be using our percent skills, figuring out how to find different percents of those things. And discounts are things like sales and rebates, which make things actually cheaper, which is good. Are you ready to try some problems?
Mm-hmm.
Let's begin. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look at our markup and discount guided notes as well as our tax, tip, and discount practice word problems. We'll be looking at markups and discounts. These are real practical applications for percentages. We use them if we want to be smart shoppers and consumers and just to be able to budget things and to be financially smart. Markups deal with, we're going to focus on tax and tip. Discounts deal with sales. All of these are percentages. Let's take a look at our first example here. This is in your, I think it's the second question or second example in your guided notes. It says, if your friend gives a 15% tip to the waiter for his order of a bacon cheeseburger, french fries, and milkshake, which total $9.50 altogether, how much will the tip be? Okay, this is a real practical problem. So we need to go over here. We have some basic formulas for finding tax, tip, and discount. Tax is the actual cost times the tax rate, which is a percentage. Tip is the actual cost times the tip rate, and this is that tax is usually that's up to, it depends upon what state you're living in and what items you're buying. The tax rate can vary. The tip rate is up to your generosity, how generous you feel or how well you feel that the waiter or waitress or server did their job. That will affect the tip rate. Now, and two, these, both tax and tip, these really don't help the consumer. They add to the cost, the actual cost, your total cost. Where discount, this makes the consumer happy because this discount rate is subtracted. It's going to end up being subtracted from the regular or original price, and we'll look at that later. But let's first just find these items. Okay, so we have a friend here. He wants to be generous. He's tipping the waiter or waitress 15%. Well, we have to take the actual cost, which is $9.50 or $9.50, times the tax rate, which is 15%. That's what he chose. He wants to give. And we're going to rewrite this as an equation. The T is equal to $9.50. I'm just dropping that zero, which is not necessary for calculations. I'm changing my percent to a decimal. If you wanted to make it a fraction, 15 over 100, you could do that. But here I have 15 hundredths. And then we're going to multiply. When we multiply these together, I'm just going to show you this because I've noticed that some people have forgotten how to multiply decimals. Okay, we first just multiply, treat it like a regular multiplication problem. 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 5 times 9 is 45, plus the 2 is 47. I put a 0 here as a placeholder. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 9 is 9. Okay, I go to add these up. 5 and 0 is 5. 7 and 5 is going to be 12, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 14. I have 1, 2, 3 decimal places in my multiplication problem. Therefore, I should have 1, 2, 3 decimal places in my answer. So my tip is going to be $1.42.50. And since we're dealing with money, we've got to round that cent to. It's going to be $1.43. I'm just rounding it up to the nearest penny. And if we were, and how much does this cost my friend altogether? Well, we know that we'd say that the total cost is the actual cost plus the tip would give me my total bill. This is just a little extra aside so that we're thinking properly. So I would take this is going beyond what the question asks. I'm taking the $9.50 plus the $1.43, and when I add that up, my grand total is going to be $10.93. But this, the question just asks, what is the tip? The tip would be $1.43. Okay, let's take a look at the next problem here. Your mom finds a pair of jeans at Kohl's for $29.95. There's a 25% discount on these jeans. How much will the discount be? Okay, well, we find the discount. The discount is equal to the regular price times the discount. Okay, so D is equal to the regular price, which is $29.95 times 25%, which once again I'm just going to write it as a decimal. You could write it as a fraction, that's fine. Off here to the side, I take $29.95. I multiply it by 0.25. 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 5 times 9 is 45 plus the 2 is 47, carry the 4. 9 times 5, or 5 times 9, once again is 45 plus the 4 is 49, carry the 4. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4 is 14. Put a 0 as a placeholder. 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1. 2 times 9 is 18, plus the 1 is 19, carry the 1. 2 times 9 is 18, plus the 1 again is 19, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 1 is 5. Let's add all this up. I get 5, 7, 9 and 9 is 18, carry the 1. 14, carry the 1. 7. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places in my multiplication problem. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places in my answer. So the discount is going to be $7.49. Now, how do I get 49? Well, it's $7.48, 0.7 cents, so I round to the nearest penny. That's my discount. Now, how does a discount look? Well, discount is you take the regular price of the item and you subtract the discount, and that will give you your total or sale price. This is the sale price. Okay, so the sale price, and sure enough, this is the answer to the question. Once again, we're going beyond what's being asked, and we take $29.95 and we subtract $7.49 from that regular price. We regroup. This becomes an 8. This becomes a 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 9 minus 4, or sorry, 8 minus 4 is 4. Don't forget my decimal point belongs right there. 9 minus 7 is 2. And bring down the 2. My sale price would be $22.46. Now this. Okay, boys and girls, now here we have a little different type of a problem. Go to your handout page, which is homework, and go to problem 2. This is a unique problem. I don't even know if it really belongs on this page with the rest of the problems, but we're gonna do it together. It says, after a 15% off sale, some jeans were $11.50. How much were they before the sale? Well, we know that the discount, okay, plus the sale price is going to be equal to the original price. The original or regular price. Okay, and that makes sense, because if you have the original price and you take the discount away, that would be sale. So another way of looking at it is the regular price minus the discount will equal the sale price. Okay, so we know all of this. So why am I going over all this? Because what they're telling us is they're telling us that the discount is 15%. The original price is 100%. Okay, what's this $11.50 here? That's the sale price, and how much is that? That's 85%, because 15 plus 85 is 100%. Now that's very important, because now we can set up a proportion. See, I know that 85% is the sale price, not the discount. The discount was 15%, but the sale price, okay, 85% of the regular price is $11.50. What we want to know is how much were they before the sale. Okay, before the sale, that's the regular price. I'll call that R. Okay, now let's see if we can figure this out. Okay, so here's our proportion we can solve and figure out what the regular price is. First thing I'm going to do, 85 to 1150, using my ratio reasoning. I don't see anything. I don't know about you. Let's see if we can reduce this. We can. I know that this is divisible by 5 and this is divisible by 5. I can factor a 5 out of both. 5 will go into 80. 16 times plus 1 is 17. And 5 will go into 120 times. I don't think I can do much more than that. And then I have, so let's cross multiply here. R times 17. R times 17 will be 17R is equal to 20 times 1150, and that would be, let me see, 1150 times 20 is going to be, yeah, that's going to be 230, I believe. Okay, that's right. Okay, that's, yeah. And then if I divide this, okay, so I have 17R is equal to 230. I want to isolate R to figure out the regular price. I have to do the inverse operation, which is divide by 17. What I do to one side, I do to the other. 230 divided by 17, R is going to equal 13.529, which is $13.52.9. I'm going to round that to $13.53. There's your answer. That is the regular price for the jeans. I hope that was helpful, and do the rest on your own. Good luck.